But let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into the video. Let's get straight into one of the first things that you need to understand about the Google search engine, which is why people go onto it in the first place. Now, the reason why Google search is such a powerful tool when it comes to making a source of income from the comfort of your own home is because billions of people go onto it worldwide every single day. And the one thing that you need to understand about making money on the internet is that wherever there's traffic, there's money to be made. But for you to have a better understanding of how you can capitalize from that traffic, you need to understand why people go onto the Google search engine in the first place. And I would say that it always has something to do with health, wealth, love, and happiness. The best way, in my opinion, to make money from Google search, and what I've done myself, is to build a website and make sure that it's centered around any one of these different things. For example, if you're someone that's interested in fitness, maybe you're passionate about it, maybe you've got knowledge about it, then this might be the direction that you might want to go down. Or let's say if you're someone that has experience on personal finance, then you might want to go down this path. The main point that I'm trying to make during this stage is that you just want to pick a niche that your website is going to be centered around. For example, with myself, with the different websites that I've built, I've mainly centered them around the personal finance and online business niche. For example, for those of you that are new to this channel, you can check out one of my websites at www.successwithbusiness.com. I started this website because I'm really passionate about building online businesses and, educating people, helping people when it comes to starting some sort of a side hustle from their house. I've made sure to focus on this one specific niche, and building a website like this might seem really difficult, but it's actually quite easy. And the reason why it's powerful when it comes to owning a site like this, even though you might think it's a difficult thing, is because when you own a site like this, you're going to be able to get it ranked on Google. You're going to be able to get traffic going onto the website every single day. And you're essentially going to be able to turn a site like this into a passive income machine. But let me not skip ahead too much. Let's go over to the next part of this blueprint, which is making sure that you brand your website in the best possible way. Now, when it comes to the branding side of things, you just need to have a plan as to how you're going to move forward. For example, if we take my website, successwithbusiness.com, this is a faceless brand. It's not centered around myself per se, but yet I've been able to get tens of thousands of people going onto it. You can go down the route of building a personal brand, a site that's going to be centered around yourself, www.janesmith or johnlewis.com, wherever your name is. I wouldn't really advise that. I would say that building a brand that's separate to you is going to be the best option because it's going to be an asset that you can sell to someone else. But during this stage over here, you just want to have an idea of what your site is going to be called, what you're going to talk about on the site, the domain name, the color scheme. Just try and visualize, maybe jot down the overall plan of your website. And once you've got that, you can now start the process of actually building your website. And in my opinion, I would say that one of the best website builders out there for you to make money with the Google search engine is going to be Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger now for majority of the different websites that I've been building. It's really easy, straightforward to use. Not only can you use it when it comes to the hosting of your website, but you're also going to be able to use it when it comes to designing and building out your site as well. Let me quickly show you how easy it is to use. So if I just go over to the Hostinger sign up page, and by the way, I'm going to leave a direct sign up link to it in my description down below. It might look slightly different by the time you click on the link, but the information is going to be generally the same. For example, you're going to be able to get a free domain name. So this is going to save you around $20. You're not going to have to buy that separately. You're also going to be able to build your site really fast using AI. I'm going to show you exactly how that works in a moment. It also comes with 24/7 live customer support, and you're also going to be able to get a 30-day money back guarantee if you're not happy. But generally speaking, using Hostinger, you're going to be able to get your site up and running for as little as $40, and the amount of money that you're going to be able to make from your website is going to be much, much more. So all you got to do is just click on Claim Deal, then come over to Business Website Builder, click on Choose Plan, go through the process of setting up your account. Once you've done that, it's now going to take you to this page over here. Just select Create a Website and then click on Next. You've got the option to either use WordPress or Hostinger's AI Website Builder. WordPress is a great option if you've got skills and experience when it comes to managing a website, and there's going to be a lot more plugins available to you. But if you're looking to get your website built really, really quick, efficiently using AI, then this is the option that you're going to take. And to use the AI Website Builder, it doesn't take no more than a few minutes. So let's assume that I wanted to build a similar website to the one that I'm running right now, and I wanted to call it, let's say, Success with Crypto. I'm going to be able to type the brand name in here just like this. Let's just do that. And then what I'm going to do is come over to the description and just type something in like this. And from here, I'm just going to click on create a website. And just like that, as you just saw within a few minutes, it came back with this fully built website that I'm going to be able to start using straight away. You know, of course, if I want to make any changes to it, as you guys already know, that's going to be easy to do, because all you're going to need to do is just click on edit site over here. And you've got complete flexibility when it comes to updating things. If you want to move things around, if you want to change this video in the background that you can see, if you want to, you know, view it on mobile phone, if you want to view it on desktop, you're going to be able to do whatever you want. But the main point that I'm trying to make during this stage is that building a website isn't going to be easy. There's going to be some other things that you need to do when it comes to making money from it and making sure that you rank it on Google. But we're going to talk about that as we go along. But once you do have your website up and running using Hostinger, one of the next things that you need to be aware of is that you're going to need to start publishing articles on it. So the main way that you're going to make money with the Google search engine, and how I'm able to make money with sites just like this, is of course when it comes to publishing blog articles. So all these articles that you can see that me and my team are publishing on a daily basis, this is how I'm able to, of course, get traffic to the site and ultimately generate a source of income. When you publish blog articles like this on your website and you've done everything in the right way when it comes to Google SEO, that's when you're now going to be able to see your article ranked on the Google search results. But the more consistent that you are when it comes to publishing all of these different blog articles, Google is going to notice you as a authority for whatever your niche is. And hopefully, fingers crossed, they're going to show you to more and more people. And writing blog articles can be done in a number of different ways. You can use Hostinger's AI writer, but if you also want to use ChatGPT, WriteSonic, you can also use Gemini to help you when it comes to the planning and the structuring of your articles. And you can also use Hicks when it comes to restructuring the words, and also originality.ai when it comes to cross-checking the AI plagiarism score. There's so many other AI tools out there that you can use, but I would say that these are the main ones that I use, and that's the reason why I'm recommending them. But once you've started writing articles, I would say minimum 1,000 word, maybe 1,500 word articles, and you've published at least 5 of them, that's when you can now sign up to the Google Search Console. So the Google Search Console is Google's way of knowing that your website is a thing. So many people on YouTube don't talk about this, but this is one of the most important things of building any website, because if you don't use it and you don't connect it to your site, then you're not going to be able to get your site indexed in the search results. It's free to use, it's straightforward, it's easy, it's not really difficult, but you just need to make sure that you get it done ASAP. And right now, most of you are probably thinking, Sam, everything you've shown me so far is amazing. I'm excited to build my website, but how exactly am I going to make money? Now, one of the first things that you're going to need to do is sign up for a PayPal account, and you of course need to have a bank account as well. If you don't have these two things, then you're not going to be able to receive money. And the reason why you want to get a PayPal account and a bank account is because of all of the different methods that you can use when it comes to monetizing a website. You can either earn money when it comes to Google AdSense. This is a program that you can sign up to. You can connect your website to your AdSense account. From there, Google's going to place ads throughout your website, and if someone clicks into one of those ads, you're going to be able to earn a monthly payment directly from Google. AdSense is definitely a way to go if you want to earn passive income, but there's other ways that you can use when it comes to making money from day one. And this is going to be done through affiliate marketing, promoting products that already exist that you don't have to build yourself. You're just going to simply link those products throughout your article, throughout your website, so that you can start earning money. And the ways that you can sign up to affiliate programs is going to be done through sites like impact.com, PartnerStack, ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or you can go directly onto a company's website and sign up directly through them. These are the main ways in which you're going to be able to get paid with the Google search results, send traffic to your website, put ads as well as affiliate links throughout your website, sit back and make money. It's a really simple concept. As long as you're consistent when it comes to building up your site, then being able to get traffic to it and making money isn't going to be difficult. Now, I would say, even though yes, this video is titled Get Paid with Google Search, you need to understand that it's not the only way that you're going to be able to get real people on your site. There's so many other options out there. For example, you can use Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, basically all of the different social media platforms. You can post short form content, long form content, however you want to do it. But the ultimate goal to having a website is to get people on it, whether it's through Google search or any social media platform. The only reason why I start off with Google search is because, as I said at the beginning of this video, billions of people go onto Google. So this is a free and easy way for you to get traffic on your site. But once you get to the point where you want to build a real online presence for the brand that you're building, that's when you want to start using platforms just like this. Because we have to remember that yes, Google is the #1 most visited search engine and website in the entire world, but YouTube is the second one, and I believe that Facebook is in the top 5 websites. So these are the type of things that you need to think about. And of course, it's not going to be easy when it comes to publishing all of this content, capitalizing from all of these different platforms. That's the reason why I always look for freelancers and employees when it comes to helping me run all of my different online businesses. And the main way that I'm able to find all of these different freelancers is on Upwork. So with the websites that I'm running right now, of course, yes, I'm the one that builds it up. I come up with the branding, the name of the website, so on and so forth, but I'm not the one that sits there and does everything, especially once the website starts generating a profit. What I like to do is reinvest that money back into the website by hiring people to help me run it so that I can turn it into somewhat of a passive income generating machine. And I would say that this is the mindset that you need to have if you want to be able to earn a passive income and ultimately put your time into building multiple different websites, multiple different businesses that can pay you even when you're fast asleep. But that's a general overview of what goes into building sites just like this and making money with the Google search engine. If you've enjoyed this video so far and you've gotten any sort of value from it, press the like button, I really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know when a new video has been released. And if you wanted to watch a recent YouTube video that I made a couple days back where I go through one of the best side hustles that I believe will be perfect for someone that's working a full-time job, maybe you're a full-time student, or maybe you're a full-time parent, you're going to be able to check that video out by clicking the link over there. Make sure you check it out straight after this because it's already helped out so many people. I've gotten so much good feedback from it, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.